If you want to know where you are headed, you have to remember where you were. That first spark. The birth of a dream that just won't let go. To be the first of your nation. To be the first in humanity. To enter new worlds.
Mission Control, Riyadh. This is beautiful.
Why must we create?
To discover new worlds.
And the more we achieve, the more we start a chain reaction that will define how future generations will live and dream. But before we can enter new worlds, we must leap.
Well, day two was quite something, wasn't it? You heard from executives from IBM, Nokia, Nutanix, Tech Mahindra and SAP with fantastic sessions. You also had the billionaire Tim Draper, the kid innovator, Gitanjali Rao and so many other great speakers. Well, we're now halfway through the event and day three comes with so much more in store. And now, to kick off your third day, His Excellency Dr. Munir ElDesouki, President of KACST and Chairman of BOD for the C4IR KSA.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day three at LEAP. I hope you still have your energy up and high. We're only halfway throughout our event. I personally got a notification on the first day on my phone. It thought it got stolen because of all the steps that I put in. So we're keeping up with the excitement. We have a lot of nice announcements coming up. On day one, His Excellency Minister Swaha announced that we have over $9 billion of investments. We've heard some of these investments on day one, and yesterday, even more exciting investments were announced. We've heard of the Saudi Unicorn Program and the first innovation center from Lenovo, as well as an initiative from Intel to secure devices called Secure IT. We've also heard of the first Metaverse Academy in the region, launched by Meta. Many exciting announcements were done, but even on the startup and innovation ecosystem, we've seen lots of traction happening in the startup community, with DeepFest powered by Sadaya, graduating over 14 startups from the first cohort of the garage. We've looked at what the startup community was doing, and we were surprised that even in the space sector, there was a lot of traction taking place. One of the companies raised the $30 million investment from a joint Canadian-Saudi fund. Lots of exciting things happened yesterday, and a lot more are coming today. Without further ado, let's move on to the announcement section. Thank you, everyone.